the government of Meghalaya has decided that we will be reducing the VAT for petrol and for diesel both. The reduction for petrol, which currently is at 31.62% or 17.60 per litre, will now be reduced to 20% or 15 rupees per litre, whichever is higher. This would mean that the price of petrol in Meghalaya, in Shillong, would reduce from 91.26 rupees to 85.86 rupees, a reduction of approximately 6 rupees. And if you were to include the earlier 2 rupees that we have already reduced, it would come up to almost 7.4 rupees per litre in Shillong, and respectively in other districts also the impact will be, especially in Ribhoi, the impact will be accordingly felt. Apart from petrol, in diesel, the VAT structure, which is currently at 22.95% or 12 rupees per litre, whichever is higher, will now be reduced to 12% or 9 rupees per litre, whichever is higher, which would mean that diesel would cost from 84.23 rupees in Shillong would now be down to 79.13, a reduction of approximately 5 rupees in diesel. And if you were to include the 2 rupees that was done initially, that would be approximately 7 rupees. So both prices of diesel and petrol will be reduced by approximately 7 rupees. And this is being done primarily to ensure that the consumers are not affected by the high prices. So in order to give some relief to the consumers in the state, this is being done. And also, you have noticed that in the past, we have always maintained the competitive pricing with Guwahati and with Assam in order to ensure that our sales are not affected. So we are hopeful that with this, our sales also will go up and we will be able to make up some of the losses in the taxes that we may have due to the reduction of the prices in both petrol and diesel.